Now there's a break in the chair at the back here, as I was showing earlier. There's a split right through it there. It seems to be a defect in the wood from the time it was made. And there was a little plate put on the back of it. So I'm going to put a little spline in there. Now I could do it two ways. I could do it with a router, but I'm choosing to do it with my biscuit jointer. Just a faster option, I suppose. So the biscuit jointer effectively is a glorified angle grinder with a fence and with a fence on it. So I'm just going to offer that up to it here. I have my depth set and it sits at 90 degrees. Just got to hold it, make sure I'm holding nice and steady. And I put the joint right through the centre of the brake. So I put a cut in it there. And what I'll do is I'll lower down the blade again to the next level. And I'll just do the very same thing again now. So I'll put a second cut in it there, and I'm just going to lift that now ever so slightly again. Just about there. Now I clamped the chair first, as you can see, to keep the joint closed. So what I'll do there now is I'll just take off the clamp just to show you the end result. So that's what we have there. That's the spline. Now I'll have to chisel down here and we'll get the straight piece into it there, and that'll give us the strength. We'll put a piece in here and that'll give us the structural integrity required for the back of it there. You can see, I was saying there was a natural effect, and you can actually see the natural effect. You can see a knot inside in there, the darker wood, that's a knot. So it's a knot that actually just appeared. It just happened to be in the back of the leg of this chair. So it was always compromised from the day it was made. Anyway, we have the technology. We'll get a spline out of that size. We'll square the ends of it here, and we'll apply a spline, glue it in place, leave it overnight, and then we'll come back and we can assemble the whole chair tomorrow. These here as well, we'll have to fill those, so what we'll have to do is drill a plug hole accurately so we don't have what's called tear out. So I'll show you how to do that in the next little clip. Okay, over and out for now. That's it.